Let's get right to it. I know, subscribers, we've been over this a few times, but the question keeps getting asked. Now, the questions will change slightly, like I have a master's in Faker science and I've done projects in freelancing or some other combination of garbage. Will I be able to get a job in the US in AI? The answer is no. It doesn't matter what combination of nonsensical degrees or placards you have, you're not going to get a job in applied machine learning. Let's list out a few things you're doing that are probably a waste of time. A master's or a PhD in machine learning is not going to get you a job as a machine learning engineer. Now, a PhD might get you a job as a researcher, but that's not a real-world machine learning engineer. In real-world roles, the top tech types like the machine learning engineers and the data engineers put no value in those PhD types. In the real world, we don't look at portfolios or projects. We don't have time to look at work that you've copied off Kaggle or other sites. The hiring process in the real world hasn't changed in decades, and it's not going to change anytime soon. Next up, we don't take freelancers seriously. If you haven't been employed in a real job, your experience is worthless. Now, if you worked at a real company as an intern, well, that counts. However, in the US, we laugh at sites like Fiverr and Upwork. You put those on your resume, you're never going to get a job. Next up, there are no certificates of completion that we take seriously in the real world. None of them. If you take a class and you get a piece of paper at the end of that that says you completed that class, good for you. It means nothing in the job market. Don't put that on your resume or your resume is going to get ignored. In the real world, the only things that count are experience, skills, and certifications. Now, if you don't know the difference between a certification and a certificate of completion, I'll put a link in the comments section that'll explain it to you. The brutal truth is, most people who think they are preparing for a career in machine learning are headed for a ton of heartache. What most people are using to prepare for these roles is trash. Sorry, I know that stings a little bit, but it's the truth. There are no entry-level roles in machine learning in the real world. Focus on attaining a more entry-level role or continue to fail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day. We'll see you soon.